friends. Hope you're doing great. Let's learn and spell some words. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Woof woof. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Meow. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Car. C-A-R. Car. Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Yummy. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. So hot. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Choo-choo. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. That's all for today. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care.